I am just curious why this hair dryer is in a very low price. Let's find out and follow me. Hello everyone, once again this is Mel and welcome to RamabelleTV. And without further ado, let's open this box. And I bought this from Shopee last July 7 and I received this product last July 11. And as of July 15, the product is already sold out. So let's open it. By the way, this is worth 137 pesos only, plus a shipping fee worth 38 pesos from Bisonia Limited Co. O diba, ang mura lang. So this is it. Oops. May kasamang supply. So ito ang kanyang pinaka-freebie. I never thought that merong supply. Okay, let's open it. Oops, sorry. Nalaglag. So let's take a look with the quality of this product. I guess okay naman. It's just enough for the price. By the way, meron ditong dalawang button. Hindi masyadong kita. So naka-indicate ito 0, 1, and 2. Dito din sa baba 0, 1, and 2. Oh, let's find out kung ano yun. And by the way, the 0, this is the switch. Is the off button. Switch on by pressing the 1 for a soft wind. And if you want strong wind, below just press 2 for the strong wind. The upper button is the level of temperature. The 0 wind is the slightly warm blow of air. If you want warm, just press 1 for the warm wind. Then if hot wind, just press 2. And 2 buttons are connected. And when it comes to the size, so it is 4.5 cm by 23 cm. So maliit lang. Again, for the normal wind, just press 0. Warm wind 1, and hot wind is number 2. And to switch it off, just press 0. And for the soft wind, press 1. And for the strong wind, press 2. Honestly, I bought this not for myself because I only have a blower when I am in a parlor. And I don't do it at home simply because maigsi lang naman itong buhok ko. And I bought this for my little Crownie. Makapal kasi balahibo niya. So I have to insert the picture. Let's try it na din kung nagpa-function nga ba. Let's put it sa stroke rin. Malakas. Tumiilaw siya sa ito. Mukhang malakas na. Let's try it again. Gumagana naman siya. I have to insert the video of my alaga. It's Crownie. So this is for Crownie. Pwede na din, I guess. For the price of 137 pesos. So, hello. Hello, Crownie. Crownie. Honestly, this is the second time that I'm going to try to use the blower. Yung first, ayaw niya talaga. So, let's try it again. Oh, stay. Wait. So, fast absorbent na naman itong towel niya. Wait a minute, Crownie. So let's try the blower. Okay. Ay! So ayaw na. Come. Okay. Come here. Crownie.
So sa kabutihang palad, ayaw talaga ni Crownie.
And, ay, pakita natin. Doon sa mga nagtitipid, I guess I can't recommend this one. Pero doon sa may mga budget naman, you can go to Watson. So may mas magagandang blower na makikita. Although, medyo mahal nga lang. Pero ito, pwede na doon sa mga under ng, how do you call this, mga nasa belt tightening na tinatawag. Pwede na din. Useful naman. Thank you everyone for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel RamabelleTV, and click the notification bell for you to be notified to our next video. Thank you very much, and God bless. Keep safe.